All right, Greg, thanks a lot for being here today.
Bo, it's good to be here.
Interesting topic. We're going to take a look here. I want you to explain President Trump's executive order when it comes to college athletics and NIL. What's in it? What's not? What do we need to be thinking about here?
The long-awaited executive order, and the title says it all, Urgent National Action to Save College Sports. What the president has sought to do with the stroke of a pen is fix the wild, wild west that's NIL and college athletics.
Now, this is not law, though. This is just an executive order, right?
An executive order is a directive from the president that typically is directed at federal agencies. It's not a law. It's not a statute. But it also can signal some policy mandates and kind of be a precursor for that kind of change.
All right, so what's in it? What wasn't in it? And how do you enforce it? That's the other big question.
Well, a lot of what's in it reminds me of conversations that we have around the water cooler at work or the coffee pot or when you're having a few beers at the tavern. Three things that were significant. One, it limited how long individuals could play. It's capped at 5 years.
Right.
So we're not going to have people who go to the NBA, G League, come back and try to play in college to get their NIL money. The second thing it does, you get one transfer portal window. You get a second if you get your 4-year degree and you are entered into grad school. And I think what's important, there was a lot of frustration with people transferring, not going to college, very significant. Another thing that this executive order proposes is directing the Attorney General of the U.S. To eliminate, litigate state laws that are in conflict with this executive order. And, you know, Tennessee's going to be at the forefront of that. Because we have one of the most powerful state laws that's very student-friendly and very NCAA and anti-NCAA. But what it's seeking to do is put the power back in the hands of the NCAA because they have lost time and time again in court. If they were a college team, the coach would be fired immediately.
And I know you like to mention this. One thing it did not talk about is making them employees.
Bo, and that's the most significant thing. This executive order is remarkable for what it didn't say. We still don't know that these employees that are making millions of dollars a year, whether they are employees, that's at the heart of the debate on whether all of this money violates the Sherman Antitrust Act. What it I think is trying to do is get Congress to pass the appropriate legislation, like the SCORES Act, to fix it. So, you know, if it walks like a duck, quacks like a duck, it's typically a duck. If it drives a Lamborghini, it's getting $5 million, and it plays for a university, it's an employee.
All right, Greg, on that note, we're going to wrap it up. Thank you so very much.
And if you have a legal question, you can send it to AskIsaacs@WATE.com. And remember, we talk with Greg every Wednesday at 5:30 right here on Channel 6. For a deeper conversation, you can watch right now on our free WATE 6 Plus app.